Thanks for coming to my YouTube channel. I just wanted to chat. By the way, I'm waiting for these Fedex people. They're not coming and I need to go to work in like 15 minutes. So I just decided I'm gonna do this vlog and explain what's going on, because I really plan to be consistent these times. So like I'll do my best to post like twice a day. No, maybe once or twice a week. Okay, I can't promise that because I know that I'm lazy, but I'll do my best to post at least every week and yeah, to tell you what is going on, what is happening. And I'm pretty sure you're seeing things there, so I just want to talk about it. I just want to talk about my investments. So I've been doing fine, quite fine lately, I may say. I like everything that is going on. I like my life. Not basically, I'm liking what is going on. That's what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna live in 15 minutes because I walk every day to go to work, because you know, 30-35 minutes walk every day, actually going 35 minutes, coming back 35 minutes, so it makes like an hour and 10 minutes every day of walking, and that really helps me a lot, because I found out that walking just helps my mood, you know, helps my health, my mental health, and that I'm not gonna live it. Yeah, that's what I've been doing these days, working a lot, because I found a new job and this job is like 35 minutes walking, and I've committed. It's been like 3 months now that I've been working there, and I go to work by walking, and it's just so good. I've lost some weight. That's true, I've lost some weight. I'm not even like doing anything like you know, diet and stuff. I just eat junk food the way I do, but it really helps me. I've seen that I've lost weight, and I think that's also better my mood somehow. I don't know, but that's what I've been doing these days, so I'm fine. Probably no one asked, but I'm fine. And what else? Oh yes, so seems like I just keep talking. I mean, I'm alone, I'm talking to a camera. Whew. Okay, so I wanted to talk about that investment I'm doing. Can you see it? Can you see all the... Anyway, I had like three books there. You can probably see the big one. Can you see the big one? Yeah. So yeah, what I'm doing these days is investing in a hobby that I've always wanted to start, but I'm not too sure. Like I didn't know how to start it, and yeah, I'm starting if everything is fine by June, but for sure after like by July I will be having something already. So yeah, I'm investing in these machines, like a printer and a heat transfer or heat press, and I'm waiting for a Cricut to come. It was supposed to be delivered like a few minutes ago, like this 9 a.m. So they keep coming here. They will not knock on the door, they will not knock on the door, and they will leave this FedEx thingy like they missed me. But I'm home all this since Thursday. I was home because it was my day off, and they kept leaving those papers like they missed me, but I wasn't inside the house. They didn't even knock. I don't know why, but anyway, I'm just gonna continue because those people. So all the time they kept coming at 9, but now it's 9 past already. They're not even here when I need to go to work. So yeah, I'll just wait, I guess, and we'll see what will happen next. So yeah, I was saying that, let me just fix this. Okay, so I was saying that yeah, I'm investing because I really want to do something, right? It will not be big, it will not be like huge, cute and stuff, but probably work in progress will be made. But I just want to start something for myself, first of all, to just have that thing that I know that I made this, you know what I mean, to be that that type of person, like I do something too with maybe my free time when I can, and maybe build some stuff up, right? So yeah, I decided to start. I decided to basically start vlogging again, because I stopped since last year to post videos, and I'm committing myself to be consistent in everything I'm doing this year, and that was on my vision board for this year. So like, to do things that I want to do, to be consistent in things that I'm doing. So basically that's what I'll be doing these days. I'll try my best to post every maybe Friday or Saturday or maybe Monday, I'm not sure, I will see. And yeah, I will be, next video will probably be unboxing. Oh, I also have another box somewhere, but it's for shelves. I'm so excited to be vlogging what I'll be doing. Like, I just can't wait to show. Like, I'm just waiting for a table. If my desk arrives, if my desk arrives, I'll be so happy to you know, to organize all these machines and try them out. I really can't wait that. So yeah, I will be doing an unboxing vlogs and stuff like that, and what I'll be doing and how I'll be doing things. I'm doing fine. I'm really doing fine. Yeah, I think the state of mind at this moment, it's somewhere where I can say that I'm feeling good. Like, I'm not having those thoughts, you know, those sometimes like you will find yourself ruminating things that you like, they put yourself in some stress position or like anxiety position, because yes, I had to have them. Like, I had them in January, December, even in February. I think in February that's when things started to change. But yes, I was kind of like I was just depressed actually, because yeah, I was looking for a job, and because of that I was really feeling bad about myself, about things around me, not being able to do some stuff that needed to be done because of, you know, being in a financial position, awkward financial position, I guess. And yeah, I found this job. It is a really good job. I love it, and everything is going smooth. They just have shitty schedules, but the job itself is not that bad. Yeah, that's why I love it. So since then I've been working on myself, see, I'm even doing my brows. I was not someone who could do brows very well like this, just see. But I'm perfecting my brows, okay? It means that I'm doing fine. It means that everything is fine. But anyway, my camera tells me that it is out of battery. It will probably cut very soon, so I'm gonna end this video here. Yo, hi, good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Just got back from work, and yeah, they delivered my crickets today. Like, I was really thinking like maybe, oh, first of all I will apologize because I'm tired. Okay. So yeah, in the morning, by the way, the battery died, and I didn't have time to change or to do anything. So I just had to go to work because I was late already. I was waiting for these guys, and they didn't come on time, and I literally just changed the battery in the camera, and then I left because I had good work. So I just got in and I saw this. I was so happy to see it. Like, I'm not sure you can see Cricut Air 2 there, explore air something. That's the motto of my cricut. I'm just so happy to have it finally. So now I just need a table, and after that I'll be installing things and doing my vlogs and showing you guys how it works. I'm so excited to start to explore everything with y'all on the seeing things. So this is basically it for now, for today. I'm just gonna drink some water because I just came in and I sit here. So this will be all for like now. I just wanted to show you guys that I received this today. I really appreciate your support, and I'm just happy that you will stay, you will subscribe, and you will continue watching what I'll be doing, the next vlogs and stuff. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you have a good day, good night, good evening, good morning, everything. Bisous.